How to remove shows from continue watching on Peacock. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can remove shows from continue watching on Peacock. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, you may just go ahead and open up Peacock in your desktop. After doing so, you just need to head over and log in and sign in into your account. After you are signed in, you will be taken to this page where you will be finding all of the shows in Peacock, including the continue watching tab below all of the shows. So in order to remove those continue watching shows from this continue watching section on your account, you're just gonna head over and directly tap on the account. So unfortunately, we don't have the direct feature of removing the continue watching from the Peacock application, but what we can do instead is simply drag this cursor of this play video to the end so that it will be directly removed. Otherwise, what you can do is directly head over to the last episode of the show and you're going to drag this white line play directly to the last so that it will be directly removed from the continue watching. So therefore, this is the method you can follow in order to remove continue watching from Peacock. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.